All right, test, test, test. Okay, audio sounds good. Right, let's start the stream then. Alrighty. Hello there. Welcome back to our bonus stream. So yeah, I just returned from my trip to Jakarta yesterday. So yeah, for like I don't know, like Saturday there. Yeah, from Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday is where I returned. I was unable to work on projects because my laptop was at home. But yeah, now I'm back. Now I can continue working on the projects. Today, I will be continuing my work on the 𝓑𝓞𝓝 character. Specifically in like building the what is it? The final rig, though not really, because there's actually something I forgot to add, which is the a tail rig. So I need to work on that, but I'll do that later once I finish building the rest of the rig. So without further ado, let's just go to that version, the project file. Let me open Blender. Oh no, that's not Blender. Oh yeah, let's go to the second workspace. All right, there you go. So here's where I left off on my project. So not last time, because I actually did a bit of a work off stream, and here I am. On last time, I think it was this one. Hold on, where am I left off last stream? I forgot. Hey there, team leader. Welcome to the stream. Hold on, let me check where I left off last stream. Previous stream. Oh yeah, on last stream I forgot to to post the announcement on the on my social media and my server. So yeah, that's why the stream is a bit quieter than usual. But not really, because my stream always have like don't have much views, so yeah. Okay, last time I left off on, I cannot see the version file here. It seems like most of the rig is set up. I think it's just the arm and the head that I haven't worked on. And in this version, I already did. As you can see, the head is now set here. We have the snout merged with the main head, as well as like the tuft mesh here, and the ears is also set. The hair I could just parent to the rig. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is just to clean up all of this, and it should be done. And then also do some adjustments for like the iris shader here. I'll go to shading. You can see it's still using the default setting. I need to make it match up with the character here. So I have like these like purple what is this, like red purplish thing. I don't know what this is called. But yeah, let's do color and then maybe make it like a gradient using my gradient shader. And yeah. And also the texture here is of course still quite flat, so I will need to do some additional texturing, just adding some like shadow to give more details on this. Yeah, I'll do that later. And now I'm just gonna finish the whole rig. So let's reload the file. Okay, what should I do now? Let me check here. Oh yeah, does the mustache properly set here? Okay, nice, it is. Will it follow? No, not yet. What is this using? It's using parent, but I'm guessing it's because the surface object is not parented. Yeah. But what about in post mode? Nice. It's just the neck that I haven't parented to the neck bone. Okay. I think everything is pretty much set here. Okay. So let's remove this so I can select it in object mode here. Let's start with this. All the formers here. Select that. Select the armature. Control P. Object keep transform. And then surface here. Select all of this. Select this. Object keep transform. Hey there, Prismarine. Welcome to the stream. Okay, then the boolean for the ear. This one doesn't have any like modifiers, so this one I could just parent directly to the head bone with the head stretch bone. And then here the anchors, this one is parented to the surface for the mustache using vertex parent. Don't need to touch that. This one, if I remember, I do need to parent this. I forgot. Hold on, I need to check my old project file that uses the same system as this one, using like a buffer rig. That should be my old project file. And actually, why not do this here so everyone can see? Let's make an increment just in case I messed up. Open file, character presets, Thomas, final. There we go. Here, if I go to the disable me collection and then rigs, here we go. Of the state entire rig, and this one are parented to the main rig. Yeah, it is parented as object. So the origin point is at the center. So maybe I should do that as well. So where is it? Armatures, there we go. So this one, I Control A and then apply Alt transform. There we go. And then I parent it to the main rig as object keep transform. There we go. Now we go with the mesh here. Okay, let's start with this. Trouser. This one parented object keep transform. Same with this one. Object keep transform. The earring, I think this one is already parented. Yep, to the bone here. This one here. So I'll leave that. Okay, ears, eyebrows. This one parented to the rig object transform. The hair, this one I could just parent directly to the head stretch. I think my YouTube is bugged, so I have 8 the sound entertainer. Really? Or it could be just my audio here, because I changed the setting a bit, so maybe it sounds more surround sound. Dolby Entertainer. Okay. Yeah, Entertainer is now Dolby certified. You have surround sound if you have the setup. Okay, armature. I mean, iris like. No, it's okay. It's my extension. Ah. Okay, iris like. This. Okay, this one should be parented object keep transform. The mustache. This one is parented to the to the armature, so I don't need to parent this. This one I'll parent it to the neck bone directly. The shot here. This one's using lattice, armature, lattice. Armature, lattice. Okay. All of this parented to the rig objective transform. There we go. Okay, now. Oh, right. I forgot about this one. This one have armature modifier, so objective transform. There you go. Don't see any issue there. Like double transform. Okay. The buffer bone, the buffer rig for the thigh should do that. It doesn't follow the rig. So this one, I forgot to parent this here. So keep all set. There you go. Okay, I think everything is set here. Now what about rotation? No problem there. Scaling, no problem there. All right, nice. All right, let's hide all of this as we don't need them. Okay, nice. Now we hide the visibility and selectability. Oops. There you go. Now collapse all of this. And now we can hide the main collection. And there we go. This one I can move to the main collection and delete this. And that should be it. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. There are some settings that I need to add here. All right. I need to add the IKFK bond override and the other setting. I'm gonna some reason OBS is disconnecting. Oh, there you go. Okay, OBS just disconnected for some reason. Oh wow. Okay, that makes sense now. The net is actually not doing great. Like on the Twitch here, it's like 4000 kbps and it's on the red. So yeah, expect some lag on the stream. Yeah, just bad internet. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, I need to import the rig on another window. I think I should make a script to like auto-generate the settings that I usually have on a rig. That way I don't have to manually create the custom properties manually one by one. Okay. In here, go down here. Okay, bond override, boolean, and copy the description. There you go. Okay, what else should I add? Head rotation. Boolean, library override. Description. There we go. And what else? Let me check. This one, a finger rotation. I can switch, reach lock. Yep, that's all in it. Same with this one. Okay. Now I just need to add driver for the AKFK switching. So I'm gonna copy. Oh, hold on. Let me check here. Okay, I need to copy this one first. Copy as new driver. And here, paste. Now scripter expression. Let's remove this. Add another input. This one is for the IKFK phone override. Rig, Augie, and that one I need to copy here because it's the same. There we go. Then I need to copy the expression. Let's see. One if I can get switch less than 5, and or I can get one like 1L0. Okay, that's correct. Copy this, paste it here. This one I'm gonna invert this. There you go. Oh yeah, it's currently on. And yes, an FK right now. Okay, copy this, paste it here, edit driver, and this should be .l for the left side. Oh, right. This is the lag. Oh, did I use the wrong setting? Yeah, that's the arm. Meanwhile, that's the leg. So I'm gonna copy this, delete this, and then I need to move this up. There you go. So paste it here. Paste it here. This one should be bigger. All right. Now paste it here. This should be L. Copy. Paste. This should be. There you go. And then I need to also add a driver for the extras. So copy as new driver, paste it here. And let's just copy the expression from here. There we go. Copy driver, paste, and paste, and paste. I'm gonna copy this, paste it here. Add a driver. Oh no, it's here. I need to change this to leg. copy driver, paste, becomes bigger, change this to, oh, I made another mistake. Forgot. This one is set to the right. Whatever. I'll edit them later. But that means I need to change that. I just need to change the L1. This should be bigger. Okay. I need to modify this. It should be L. There we go. And checking. Okay, this one's using the R. Now go back to here. This should be L. There we go. And this one should be R. All right, let's give this a test. Switching for the arm. Nice. Now the other side. Nice. Now the leg. Nice. Then the bone override. Nice. Okay, I think I need to also update this so that both the mechanical and regular arm bones show on the bone override. So I need to copy this, edit this, add another variable, rig augie main. And then I'm gonna need to copy the path. Okay. And then I'm gonna copy this part here from the expression. Oh, okay. I thought I removed it something. There you go. Right, now just copy this, paste it here, make this one 1. All right, there you go. Let's do the same here, paste. Okay, let me change that, paste, edit driver, became 1. There you go. Nice. Now all the bones here, including the mechanical and regular arm, showed up, and the bone override is enabled. And let's see the switching here. All right. Forgot this one doesn't have that. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, because it's on. Okay, forgot. Okay, but at least the switching still work here. Mechanical, regular, and then the bone override enables them all. All right, nice. Okay, let's reorganize this. The head should be on top. After the before the torso, so root first, and then head, torso, limbs, and then additional should be underneath. Buffer bones. Okay, it should be the form first. form buffer and then that. Let's put this on top. This here. It should be after the head. Should be after the facial. Okay. Right. This one. Can I select? No, I cannot select multiple. There we go. And then here, facial on top, and tongue, and ears. Snout should be up here. There we go. Oh, I forgot there's this, but that is set up. There we go. I can just disable this, enable bone override, and now I'm gonna adjust the bone colors. Oh, oops. Okay, let's save this first, and then here, gonna import the bone color set. All right. I think I'm gonna enable this so I can select the root. Okay, enable this. All right, this should be yellow, but I'm gonna use this one. And then what else? This, and this should be yellow. Let's hide that. This, and this should be yellow. Hide that. This should be blue. And then all this should be red. Then the rest of this will be green. So I think for this one, I'm gonna make this white. Right. And then for this one, this will just be white. Okay, I think that's all here. Enable internal gain. Okay, I think it's set now. All right, now I can add back the driver here for the mesh. There we go. Nice. All right, what else should I add here? Okay, I'm gonna add a toggle for the tie. Oh, Wait, that's the armature. Okay. Boolean type maybe override enable disable tie we can mesh or just call it tie. Copy as new driver. Here's the driver. Edit driver 0 if I equals 1 else 1. There we go. Now I'm gonna copy this and then for here, for the tie here, case edit driver, this should be inverted. So it became 1 and this one became 0. For some reason, the outliner boolean is inverted. So instead of like 0 and 1, it becomes like 1 and 0. I don't know why. I really wish that Blender is more consistent. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, clothing. I need to add a toggle for the clothing. That's one of the requests, is that to be able to make the character naked. Yeah, just remove the clothing. Okay. Oh, I made double. Boolean. Yeah, Boolean. Clothing. Enable, disable. The clothing. There you go. Copy as new driver. Oh yeah, might as well add a toggle here. So when clothing is disabled, the tie will also automatically disable. So edit driver, add another input, clothing, rig, okay, and then oh wait, that's the should copy the, where is it? Copy data path. Edit driver, add data path, or clothing equals 1. That way now when clothing is disabled, it doesn't. Wait. Ah, there you go. Should be N. Forgot. Copy, paste, and paste it here as well. But also I need to, for this, you can 1, 0. There we go. Copy as new driver. Paste. Edit driver scripted expression. 0 if clothing equals 1 else 1. Copy, paste. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need the body mesh without the without the clothing. Okay. Torso suit. Let's call it that. Then make a duplicate here. Torso base. Oh, wait. All right, this one I just need this. Remove all that. Okay, need to reorganize this. There we go. Edit driver. This will be 0. Copy driver. Paste. There we go. Now if I disable this, this became the base. I used to copy this and add it to the other meshes, like this one. Paste, paste, and then here, paste, paste, and then here I have this mask modifier here. I remove the top part here. Gonna add a driver right there. So now when clothing is enabled, the mask will activate. It will cut the rest of the mesh here. And when clothing is disabled, the masking is technically it's disabled, but it's inverted here. So one becomes disabled basically. Then here, gonna paste here. Paste, paste. Okay, I need to do this on the regular arm as well. Oh, wait, what is this? Ah, yeah. I need to add another variable there. So copy data path, edit driver, add another variable, clothing, rig go main, and then the path, and here, and clothing equals 1. Copy, paste, paste, paste. All right. And then here, I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. There we go. So mechanical, regular, then enabled clothing. Nice. Okay, I should add a warning for that. Hi. Due to the tie using a rig, the control position doesn't match the mesh information. That's a long description. Let's see. Yeah, but it's better put it there because the controller here won't follow the won't match the position here perfectly. Okay, let me double check. Clothing is added. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. So I need to go here, bone, and then rotation, paste. There we go. There we go. It's disabled, so we won't follow the rotation. Whoa. Oh, that's because the pole is clipped through the leg. Nice. Okay, let's see what else. Head seems fine. The stretching is fine. Okay. Okay, it actually removed the teeth mesh there. Oh, this is fine. Oh yeah, the eyebrow here. Okay, that is correct, but it's just this one is too long. Oh, it's because of that. I need to fix that. There we go. Okay, I think that's all here. All right, let's work on the script next. These are just the enum script I use to convert the custom properties. New script. Let's copy that from my other rig here. And you can see S3, default, Augie. And yeah, I also need to add the custom properties here. So string. Okay. Rig ID. Description, set rig identification. Augie. There you go. And then this will be data block. And this one will be text. UI script. Link UI script to the rig. There we go. So we'll link this one. And also I need to make this register. Then let's just copy code here. Remove the performer performance panel here because I don't need that. Features, I do need that one. Mechanism, yep. Okay, let's start from the top here. Rig ID, it should be Augie. Okay. Reset. Augie Freerock. Okay. Let's check here. Root flip bone. Let's make another row here. I mean, like another group. Okay. Is there extras? Facial that. Or maybe not. This one is part of the head, so it should be the same. Okay, but I need to separate it. So call. There we go. Let's just do this. Oh, it's already half that. Head facial. Oh, it should be under here. Snout. Text snout and then the icon. What do I use for my rig here? Okay. Actually, let's just copy the the code from this one here. Paste it there. There you go. There's the snout. Snout extras, and then gotta copy this, paste it there. This will be mustache. Yeah, the column should be 1. And the icon for this one, I think we'll just use the mesh icon. There we go. Torso extras. Neck. Use the same mesh data. Then limbs. Arm. Oh yeah, there's not quick, so I'm gonna remove this. There we go. Oh yeah, these are like left and right. So let's make another group here. Or maybe actually, let's just paste this here. Then make this one finger. I think there's an icon here. There's like an arm. There we go. Not an arm, a hand. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, forgot. I need to add the driver for this. Paste. And then insert the number here. 1, 0. There we go. And since the additional bone collection here have drivers, I don't need to add it here. Okay. Oh, there's the ears. Forgot. Select. Yep, that's the ears. This should be on the head here. Okay. In that case, I think I should change this to 2. And also maybe just make it part of this instead of separating it. Ears. Okay, I don't think there's any like icon that could represent ears here. So let's just use the mesh data. Oh, I pasted it on the wrong place there. There we go. All right, that should be it for the bone collection part. Let me clean this up. There we go. Now bone mechanism, eyebrow follow, I think it's still here. Yep. Oh yeah, just some leftover setting from the old, Rick. I forgot the word. What is it? Rick components. There we go. Sometimes I keep forgetting words, so it's difficult for me to say it. Okay, remove that, because I don't think I have that anymore. Yep. Wait a minute. Yeah, I don't have that anymore. So, where is it? Yeah, remove eye depth, eyelashes, jaw as well. So this one, I'm gonna just remove this. But then this one needs to have the jaw part removed. Or maybe I already did that. Let's see. Yeah, there's no more jaw. Okay. Okay, eyebrow follow, mouth depth, teeth style, tongue. No, I think this tongue needs to stay. Okay, that means I need to remove this. Is there any stretch? No, there is no stretch. So I remove this. Okay. Arm type. Need to change this into right arm type. There you go. And then the toggles. No eyelashes. Finger, neck, tongue, jaw, eyelashes. Don't have any of this, so I could just remove this. Same with the teeth style. Oh, wait. Oh, I could just copy it from here. Oh, where is it? Okay. Go. Remove all this. Finger rotation, I'll leave that. Facial depth, and remove this because no longer exists. And that should be it. Let's give it a try. And no errors. All right, there we go. So Boeing collection, rig mechanism, and features. Here we have the mechanical and regular arm. Oh yeah, I forgot. The clothing. I forgot that that setting exists. All right. Right. So I need column. Should be up here. Okay, toggles. Call box column. Oh. Okay, cut this. This should be that, and then this should be call, and then main setting. Just copy one of the setting here. There we go. Mesh. Copy this. Paste it here. Paste it here. Tie, and then clothing. There you go. There you go. Have the toggles for the tie and clothing. And that should be it. Let's save this. I don't know what to say, but it's still good. No worries. Stone is still here. Okay, let's see. I think everything is set here. Yeah, I think everything is set here. We have the Ricky Y set. Then all the rig is set. The only thing left now is to work on the texture here, adding some more details here to make it less flat. And of course, adding the tail because I forgot to add that. There's this reference here, but doesn't give really any like good idea on how it should look like. Luckily, Commissioner actually just sent me another reference image. Let me open it on Discord here. All right. Image open. Where is it? This one. Okay. So here's what the tail looks like. So I imagine this will be like the usual tail design I made, but maybe I modified so it becomes more like a club shape. So a bit more thinner on this part and bulging out at the end here, but less like a club, only like a bit here. And of course, based on this new reference I got, there's also these two additional like fluff thing that I need to add, and also the requested that this to be like animatable, like you can move them. So I need to do that. So yeah, but I'll do those two later. Now I'm quite happy with the result, and yes, almost done here. All right, I think that's about it here. Don't really know what else I'm gonna do, but there's still quite a bit of time here. So instead of like ending it early, maybe I could just play some games. Because why not? All right. Let's just close Blender first. Okay, so lately I've been playing Elden Ring again. Because you know, a while ago I finished Lies of P, but I still really want to play some Souls-like game. So I decided to play Elden Ring again. But yeah, maybe I could play that a bit. Okay, let me set it up real quick here. All right, controllers connected. And then it should be on regular Windows, so it should be fine. But maybe I need to reduce the graphic setting so it doesn't lag the stream. Okay, the stream network is improving now. It's on the green, which is nice. Oh, right. I forgot. I forgot about another thing I need to do. So let me close Elden Ring real quick. I promised to do a tutorial, not a tutorial, or like a showcase on how I create the eyelid and mouth and other part of the rig. So yeah, This one is for Astra. Okay. Okay, let me open Blender. Okay, let's do a breakdown here of the facial rig and how I set up the eyelid and mouth rig. Yeah, my part. Okay, so my rig uses bendy bone for the eyelid, at least for like the top and bottom part. For the sides here, I just use regular bone. Like if I enable it here, oops, as you can see there. And also let's enable the wireframe so you can see how it flows, like what bone connection connected to what. Okay, so the sides here is like skin, you could say. I don't know what the correct term for this. Link, skin, rig, whatever. Basically, the controller here is the side part of the mesh here. This one is rig. Let's just use that term. Rig to this controller here, which is like regular bone here. That's because this one is just a single, like only this part here, unlike the top one, bottom one, which has like these additional segments. That's why I use bendy bone here to form this. So if I rotate the head or the tail, wait, it doesn't do anything. Oh, right, just because of this. Yeah, you can see if I rotate this, the bendy bone bends and it deforms the eyelid here. You can see. This allows me to adjust the eyelid part much easier than just using like a separate bone here. Like if I use like a bone here, 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 and here, I can, but then I will have to set up the constraints so it will follow, it will match up with this one here. And also it's just much easier for me to like set it up with the bendy bone because just weight paint this one like so. But yeah, but you can use individual bone. It's just that you need to also set up the constraints then. While with this one, all the constraint lives only on these two controllers here. You can see, so it's much easier to like adjust, at least for me. Maybe for you it's fine to use like individual bone there. In fact, there's actually another rig I'm currently working on. Hopefully it's fine for me to showcase this. I'm not gonna tell too much about it, but I'll just showcase it. So with this one, as you can see, I use individual bone for the eyelid here. And as you can see, this one actually a lot more complicated because all of the stuff here for the eye lines and something like that. But yeah, maybe I could just showcase the bottom one here because it's much simpler. But yeah, as you can see, there's a bunch of constraints here on each side. So yeah, I just found the bendy bone approach much more easier to set up. But it's up to you on what do you do, what you choose. So yeah, there's the bendy bone setup. See, just a bendy bone here, here, and then like this whole part here. Then you rig the mesh with that bendy bone. Then there's the individual bone approach, like this one here. But yeah, now let's go back to this. And then modules, import this again. Okay, next is the mouth. I need to enable the internal bounds here. So for the mouth, unlike the eyelid here, the eyelids here, this one I actually use individual bones, like here, for example. As you can see here, the rotation doesn't matter here. It's just the location that actually deform. But the reason I have this bendy bone here is just so the controller here, the form, not the form, like location follows the bendy bone deformation here. You can see I have these like buffer bones here. This one have the armature modifier set to this, so it follows the position of the bendy bone. And have this secondary buffer bone. This one just follow the rock rod scale. Oh, that's not the scale. The scale is actually following the root. And then this is parented to the second buffer bone. But yeah, you can skip the setup though and just without the bendy bone. In fact, my old rig actually do that. Let me open here, entertain rig, release R1, V2. There we go. Modeling. And then, oh yeah, forgot. This one's still using the old layer system. But yeah, as you can see here, all of these are individual bones. And yeah, as you can see, it has a bunch of constraint here. So what I usually do to set up the constraints is that this 3 bone here, it's difficult to select the center one. There you go. This 3 bone is usually parented to the main, a top mouth bone, like this one here. That way, when I move this, all of these 3 will follow that. And then I added constraints set to the main controller for like adjusting the movement side to side, up or down, like that. And this one is parented to the side controller. And then I have the constraints. So when I rotate this, this moves up or down to make the mouse shape like a smiling shape. And then all of the other constraint here is just to add some additional rotation stuff, but you don't really need it if you want. Like the simple version would be something like so, I think. Now let me. Oh wait, I think I need. Okay, this one is just for the offset. Okay, hold on. Let me simplify this real quick. Oh, what is this? Minus 1. Oh, let's just remove the 1. The 2. Okay, need that. All right, here we go. So that's the simplified version of the constraint setup here. As you can see, you don't really need a lot of constraint. Just that all of these additional constraint just gives more like movement and detail for the mouse controller, but you don't really need to add that. You can just start making simple ones first and then add some additional constraint later when you need it. But yeah, just need to make the mouse open like so. When you move this mouse controller down, and then if you rotate it, you want this part to move up or down, like so. Then the scaling, I usually use the scaling to adjust the teeth here. And this one, I think it's just parented to the mouse top controller here. But you could set this to something else. For me, I like to use this to adjust the teeth. But yeah, that's about it for the facial rig breakdown there on like the eyelid and the mouth. All right. Now let's continue with Elden Ring. Yeah. Hold on, I need to reply message on Discord. Okay, let's start Elden Ring once again. So Elden Ring. All right, game start, but I need to reduce the graphic setting a bit. There you go. Oh wait, I need to set up the stream overlay here. So, oh wait, there we go. Let's pause the music here, the background music, and then app game full win. Yeah, I think full win. No, it should be max win. Source Elden Ring. There you go. Nice. Maybe it should be borderless instead. Okay, I think this one is better. Okay, hopefully you can hear the audio. Maybe it's a bit too loud, so let's reduce it a bit. Okay, system quality, let's make it medium, but I want the like the, where is it? No, I think that's all. This is enough. Let's double check. Okay, it is on the medium. Now let's continue. Okay, where was I? Last time I was finishing the quest for the for the volcano manor. So I think I could just continue to Leyendell here. So let's go here. Oh yeah, about the build here. I was originally aiming for like for a bleed build, but I now pivoted to more of a magic samurai build here. You can see I have Moonveil as my main weapon, called Nagakiba as like secondary, and also a staff for magic. So I almost never use magic actually, just use the Moonveil skill. And my goal is to adjust the Moonveil here, not Moonveil, the talisman with the DLC Renola, I think it's called Renola's Cameo, but that's later when I access the DLC. Right now, I'm just gonna finish, well, most of the like main game stuff before I go to the DLC. Oh wow, I forgot about the ballista. Oh, archers! Oh, ah! Forgot about them. All right, just a little bit more. Oh, there's two of them. Hey there. I cannot read your name. Hold on. Let me get out of here real quick. Whoop. Ah! There you go. Hey there, Sandwich. Welcome to the stream. And yeah, currently playing Elden Ring here. Just finished building the rig. There's a few more stuff I need to do before it's finally done. But yeah, just gonna chill here. Play some Elden Ring. Okay, if I remember, the main gate cannot be open, so I need to go on the side gate. Hell yeah. Right. Been a while since... Whoa! What happened to my horse? Dun, 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 dun. I cannot do that while hearing my own voice. Hold on, let me... the monitoring here. Where is it? Properties? No, not properties. Should be mixer. Oh, where is it? Filters? No, not filters. Oh, where is it? This. Oh, here we go. Okay, now I cannot hear my own voice. Alright. My voice going to disappear. Dun 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 dun. Oh man, this is crazy. Whoa, what the hell? So it's not just my horse that becomes invisible, the enemies as well. Oh, okay. Ow! Okay, but I can still attack. Not good. Okay, let's rest on grace. What the hell happened there? Okay, let's enable monitoring again. Alright, now I can hear myself again. Oh, that's a crazy bug. And it still disappeared. What the hell? I don't know what happened here. Why suddenly becoming invisible? The animals here seems fine, doesn't seem to be affected, but enemies and my horse here can disappear. I wonder if the other enemies also become invisible here. Oh wait, they still exist. Is it just this area? Maybe it's because of my setting here. I don't know. As long as the other enemies doesn't become invisible, then I think this should be fine. It should be fine. It looks so silly. Okay, just quickly go here. Okay, hold on, I need to read chat here. That's a weird movement. Oh, there's two. Okay, that one is locked, if I remember, so I need to go here. Oh, it appears again. Oh shit. Oh wow. I forgot about that attack. Oh, okay. So we're firing him again for some reason. I hate that charge attack. It's always difficult to calculate. Oh. Gotcha. Hell yeah. Whoa. There's a weird glitching there. I don't know what happened. Alright, I can upgrade my flask. +9. Oh, I don't have that. Melina! Give me some lore.
Spoken echoes of shall I shed?
Yeah, sure.
Maker's own words. Hear me, make of thyselves that which but should ye fail to become aught at all, amounting only to
Alright. Thanks for the quick lore. Okay, should go up here. Yeah, over here. Oh, the hell is that? Oh, it's just flour. Oh, there's something. Golden rune. Wait, where is it? Okay, up here. Hmm. Man, this takes me back when I first start doing streaming, because the first stream I do is like test stream with me playing Elden Ring, right at the same pace as well. Oh, yeah, careful. Oh. Okay, where's the grace? Oh, no. Where's the grace? It should be nearby, if I remember. Because I don't want to fight that. Not going to like a grace first. Ouch. Maybe there's no grace around here. I forgot. There should be one, not too far away. Can't find it. Whoa, that's close. Here, hit this guy instead. Alright. I don't have any good summons, so I wonder what that talisman I get. Greatly raise maximum stamina. Okay. Not really that interesting. Alright. Get ready. Oh. Ouch. Back up. Yeah, distracted. Oh. Out of mana. No, my skeletons. Oh, I forgot. There we go. Nice. Okay, that was much easier from my first stream. Because that one, I think I have to do like a few tries. Okay, I think I should be able to level up here. What should I do? I think I just put it on figure. Buh. Hey, right now it's 8:49, so maybe I'll do like a 15, maybe 30-minute play of this before I end the stream. So not that long, but however, just have fun here.
My utmost thanks for bringing me to the base here. And thus, I shall depart to ascertain. Farewell. I shall leave Torrent, and I wish you luck. You have fought long. I have no doubt you will be.
All right. Oh yeah, I can still upgrade here. What should I do? What should I do? Let's just keep upgrading the health here until we reach 40. All right. Lionel, the royal capital. Okay, where is it? Should be here. That's the volcano request. Okay, where else? Wow, they can jump. Okay, careful with that. Whoa. All right. Just gonna do some exploration here. No, perfume bottle. The bed curse for the dung eater. Oh yeah, I can do some parkour here. Okay, this guy is a bit tanky. I need to be careful. I also don't want to use all of my mana here. You should be careful. Oh, damn. Forgot about that. This guy is actually quite dangerous. Okay, I need to take out that one first. Then the perfume bottler one later. Right. Back here. Just another trumpet bureau. Ouch. Can you still see me? No. That's good. Okay, where is it? Okay, it's over there. I'll take you out first. Wow! Hey there, Coffee. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, definitely need to use transient moonlight on them. Use all of them till it's dead. Okay, now I'll lose all of my runes from that. Yeah, be careful. Sometimes they can. Was too late. Alright. Torch to this guy. Fancy moonlight. There we go. Alright. There we go. Alright. Where should I go here? Plus. Wow! Wow! Damn. Okay. Maybe I should avoid enemies. Otherwise, I'm gonna I think you're dying here. And if I need to engage with them, just use transient, transient moonlight. Oh, too late again. Okay, for this one, let's just ignore the enemies here. I already got what I want, so yeah. Slowly grab this. Okay, I cannot open my map. Could be nearby though. Let's go here, then here, the grace, unlock this. All right, it's over here, but if I remember, that gate is locked. Oh, so I cannot open it right now. Whoa, careful. Oh crap. Run. Oh, it's a dead end. You know what? I'm gonna fight you. Ouch. Not good. Okay, maybe I shouldn't export it. It's been a while since I've been played this, so I don't know where I should go exactly. Remember, this is locked. Yeah. Man, this guy hits hard. What the hell? Where did you come from? Okay, let's just jump to the arrow there. Almost there. Oh, not arrow, the dragon. Oh. It's kind of weird to me that dragon bodies made out of like stones. Like, how does it flex? Maybe instead of like of actual stone, it's more like scale. So hard, but I can still flex, and maybe only hard on the outside. The inside is still soft. Okay, let's be sneaky about this. Yeah. Ouch. Right, another grace. Hiya. Okay, this should open the gate down there. Yep. Now I can go through there. And oh yeah, I cannot summon my horse here. Will this kill me? I'm pretty sure this will kill me. Yeah, that will kill me. Cannot jump there. Okay. Well, our options go here then. Okay, take that and then quickly run. Ouch. Oh yeah, I can do that. Okay, then I should go there. I think I could just run past this guy. Quickly. Alright. Here we are. Alright, I forgot about this one. Boss fight time. Oh, that combo. Ah. Oh, thank goodness. There's a stake of Marika. All right. But I cannot change my flask or whatever. Ah, too late. Keep forgetting he has a lot of combo. Okay, I need FP. Nice. That part always get me. Nice. Another talisman pouch. Ooh, 8,000 runes. Still less than what I get from farming, but whatever. Level up. Just put it on figure. Okay, let's change Wondrous Physic. Or maybe not. I could just keep it for the summon. But that way I don't have to waste my FP on that. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, the new talisman slot. Let's use this for, let's see. I wonder if the transient moonlight counts as charge attack. At least that one. You. Okay, 1,000 per 30-ish. And then with this, still the same. Let's jump attack. Let's got guard counter. Crits. Immediately fall damage. Let's give this a try. That doesn't seem to change. Okay, that one does seems to change. Maybe I need something with a lot of like health to actually test this. Don't see any significant change. Although, how much more damage I get by using this? Because it says that it raises magic, but also the damage taken. Yeah, it lowers damage negation. So let's see. Alright, you there. I need you to attack me. Bro, come on. Okay. That's a pretty good chunk of damage. I'm gonna reset. And then use this Scorpion, Magic Scorpion Talisman. And let's see. How much does this increase? Okay, doesn't seem to change that much. That one is a charge attack, so it doesn't count. It doesn't count. Okay, I think everything is set here. And it's already 9, so let's wrap this up. Okay, at least I have access to this, so let's teleport here. Wait, maybe one more thing. I want to finish that this one here, Volcano Manor task here. All right, back here. Need to be quick here because of all of the night. I cannot use my horse here. Ignore the treasures. Don't you dare summon it again. Alright, good. Ah, there you go. If I remember, this will be 2 boss here. I mean, 2 enemies. Oh wait, that's still kind of the boss section. But yeah. Oh, I'm with him as well. Okay. Magic guy first. Okay, cool. Nice. There you go. All right. Yeah, this one's definitely better on stats, so I'm gonna use that. And it also looks cooler, though the scabbard clip to the cape. It's so dark. Okay, let's alter garment here. There you go. Now without the cape. Ooh, that's heavy load. Better not wear that. Hmm. I mean, this one looks weird. Let's just use this one. Alrighty, that's about it for this not today's, for this bonus stream. But yeah, as usual, I'll see you again on the usual stream schedule on Thursday, or maybe I could do another bonus stream tomorrow, but we'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.